being part of Active mean to you?
I like the fact that me and my family can have a membership and access to health and fitness with plenty of variety of classes, and also this bonus because we get to use the swimming pool, which is great for the kids.
Awesome. So, if a new starter came in on their journey to become more active, what advice would you give to them?
Not to be nervous, because everybody's lovely. Just do it. Don't worry about being shy. Just if you need any help with anything, you can go up to any of the staff and ask them. Everybody's lovely, and there's plenty of people in the gym as well that are lovely if you're a bit nervous. So yeah, that's a bonus.
Oh, good, awesome. And how has Active supported you with your health and fitness goals?
I like the fact that there's been a variety of classes so that I can choose from, so that I don't have to be stuck on doing one thing that I don't actually really like. So there's plenty of choice. So if I don't want to do the gym or don't want to do a class, I could use the pool, things like that. There's a lot of choice, so there's plenty for everybody, so that's supported me a lot.